Dear students, now let us learn about deserts. Deserts are vast areas of sand that receive little or no rainfall and experience extreme temperatures. Deserts are vast areas, बहुत बड़े areas होते हैं और दूर दूर तक आपको sand दिखाई देती है and they receive very little or no rainfall. Either there is very little, बहुत कम बारिश होती है और there is no rainfall for years. That's why desert is an area where nothing grows. Due to little or no rainfall, there no vegetation grows there. Very little vegetation at some areas is found in deserts and experience extreme temperatures. And desert areas experience extreme temperatures. Extreme temperature means either they are very hot or they are very cold. या तो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होती है. That is called extreme temperatures. So this is picture of a desert. You can see everywhere there is sand. In certain mountainous regions, cold deserts are found. There are some mountainous regions in the world जहाँ पर cold deserts मिलते हैं. These cold deserts have hot summers and extremely cold winters. These deserts have hot summers and extremely cold winters. Winters जो होती है वो बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी होती है. And everywhere there is snow. In India, Ladakh is a cold desert. They are usually located between the polar region and the tropics. Maximum cold deserts are located between polar region means North Pole and South Pole and the tropics. Tropics means Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Due to extreme climatic conditions, not many plants and animals are found in deserts. Due to extreme climatic conditions, as I have told you, there is deserts are very hot or they can be very cold. That's why not many plants and animals are found in deserts. Deserts में बहुत ज़्यादा animals या plants देखने को नहीं मिलते हैं आपको. Deserts are usually located on the western sides of continents. Maximum deserts are located on western sides of all continents. Some of the famous deserts of the world are Sahara Desert in Africa, Thar Desert in Asia, and Arabian Desert. It is also in Asia. Great Australian Desert. It is in Australia, and Patagonia Desert in South America. So these are famous deserts of the world. Next, features of deserts. Deserts experience an extreme climate. As I have told you, deserts have extreme climate. The days are very hot and the nights are very cold. Sand dunes are small hills of sand found in deserts. These small hills of sand are called sand dunes and they are normally found in desert. They are formed when winds carry sand from one place to another. It is very normal phenomenon in desert area. A strong wind usually blow there and these strong winds carry sand from one place to another and the sand dunes keep on shifting. The vegetation in desert is less as there is very little or no rainfall. As I have told you, deserts receive very little or no rainfall. That's why the vegetation is also very less. Desert plants include cacti and date palm. These are cacti and date palms are common vegetation found in desert region. Oases are areas in desert where water is found. What are oases? The areas in desert where water is found. Date palms grow around an oasis. And which plants grow around an oasis? Date palm. Date palms are found around an oasis. That was all about the desert, dear children. See you soon in next lecture. Have a pleasant day.